From a long way away, I take risks. Swing round that corner, I can't miss. I can't go back, I can't switch. I can't go back, I can't switch. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Coming up, ay. I ain't apologizing. I made a goal and I hit it. Whole lot of people was saying I never would do it, then I went and did it. I ain't been seeing no ceilings. I'm making use of each minute. You can't relate to that feeling. I don't expect you to get it. Take a look at what's around us. Believing in me, I'm the main one. How you think I'ma be humble when I walk around knowing just where I came from? I think I'm really the win. Telling myself, yeah, I know it. I may go give me a cape. Lately, I'm feeling heroic. I may go give me a Benz. Lately, I'm feeling the vibes. They used to tall my whips. Lately, I'm feeling alive. I'm on the Everest run. I'm going straight to the top. So far from where I begun. I think I'm never gonna stop. From a long way away.